Hello everybody, today I'll be sharing with you
Clean out my fridge with me before I go grocery shopping.
I'm Nicole with HelpMamaRemote.com, and I love helping moms by sharing videos on faith, family, home, and food. So if you haven't subscribed, please be sure to do so and click that little bell so you'll be notified when another video is uploaded.
When I'm about to clean my refrigerator, the first thing I do is just look at it and see what do I have to do. It's not very often that my refrigerator gets in really bad shape because usually I am cleaning it out like every 2 weeks. And if there are any big spills, I'll wipe them up as soon as possible. I don't just allow, big spills to stay in the refrigerator. And thankfully that doesn't happen too often. So I'm just going to start off by removing everything in the refrigerator first before I remove everything in the door. So I'm just taking out everything. I don't have a lot of leftovers left. I've been making sure that we eat up as many of the leftovers as possible. I'm so sick and tired of allowing food to go to waste. So whenever I'm preparing dinner for the day, I'll check and see what's left over, probably from the day before. If we have leftover rice or potatoes, I try to add it to another meal before I make another side dish. I recently purchased romaine lettuce and I'm going to have to toss it since they were saying that they were having some problems with the romaine lettuce. So better safe than sorry. What I use to clean my refrigerator is dish soap and hot water. If I have any tough spots, I'll use some baking soda. Whenever I do my monthly hauls, I always do a deep clean in the refrigerator. My weekly hauls, I don't have to do deep cleaning. I remember when we used to really have a problem with people opening more than one item. Like we would have like 2 ranch dressings open, 2 jars of pickle. Lately everybody's been doing good with not opening excessive amounts of jars that we already have open. Maybe because they can see what's in the refrigerator. One of the ways I keep my refrigerator nice and clean is every week on garbage day, I take out anything that needs to be tossed and, throw it away so we don't have a lot of, junk in the refrigerator. And of course, there are some times that I don't do it and we end up with junk in the refrigerator. Now, one thing I'm always scared to do is take out my shelves and my drawers. When we first moved in our home, I took out the bottom shelf and it was glass. To clean it and broke it. I was so upset with myself. So whenever I take out a shelf, I'm so careful because I'm so afraid I'm going to break it. So once I cleaned out the refrigerator, now I'm going to put everything back in the refrigerator and begin to remove everything off the door and clean the door. When I put all my organization bins back in the refrigerator, there are times that I move them around. They don't always stay that way. When I go grocery shopping, I will move things around to suit the needs of what I purchased from the grocery store. You know, every time it's not the same thing, so I will have to reorganize some things, see what fits best. One thing I do is I always keep our drinks at the very top of the refrigerator, and they seem to work well up in that area. Now my freezer, I am not going to have to clean. I have everything in my freezer in bins and it stays nicely organized. So when I purchase anything that goes in the freezer, I'll put it in the bins. And a lot of our freezer items go in our deep freezer. So that helps save a lot of space in our refrigerator freezer. You know, the refrigerator is one of those places that so many people are going in and out of, and it can get out of hand very quickly. So I do like to keep it in order, and because I'm going in it every day, I see when things get out of hand and I try to fix it right away. Thank you guys for sticking around with me and watch how I clean out my refrigerator before I get ready to go grocery shopping. I'll be going to Aldi tomorrow to pick up all the things that we need. So be sure to check out that video this coming Friday. Within a week or so, I'll be going to Costco. So be looking out for a Costco haul coming soon.